Continuing on, every year we have a Student Excellent Award. I'd like to request Mohan Bhai to come on the stage and declare the winners and to present the trophy for this year's Student Excellent Award. Mohan Bhai, please.
Students based on certain eligibility criteria and a selection process. The aim of this award is to encourage excellence. And when we're talking about excellence in our youth, we're not talking about just good enough. It's not about just getting good grades. It's about trying to get straight A pluses. It's about going above and beyond, being active in the school outside of the classroom. We're talking about really stretching ourselves, for the kids to really stretch themselves to their limits, to find out what their limits are and to realize that really those limits don't exist. Basically, we want the young people to have some motivation to go above and beyond and make a mark and make it a standard. Make it a mark for ourselves and for the younger students that are coming up. Hey, Didi did this, I can do it too. These awards are really to recognize students who can be viewed as role models, to encourage them to continue their efforts towards excellence and to inspire other students. Since this award was initiated 10 years ago, we are trying to identify students in each graduating class. This year, we are pleased to introduce two bright students, Karishma Sitapra, daughter of Ashaben and Bharatbhai Sitapra, and Parth Javia, son of Rashmi Ben and Anirudhbhai Javia. Although the brochure and the projector have named them as first and second place award recipients, in actuality, their achievements have been both so remarkable and based on the selection criteria, their scores so close that we have decided to award them both first place awards. Karishma and Parth, can you and your parents please come onto the stage? In the meantime, my parents are going to be telling you a little bit more about them.
Recognize them to our community. Since both of them are going to be receiving first place award, what happened to Parth? Parth is, oh, okay, very good. I thought we lost you someplace, no? Very good. Okay, since Parth and Karishma both received first place award, it doesn't matter in what order I describe their achievements. So I'll just use the last name as an alphabetical order and start with Parth. Okay. Parth is a senior at Parkland High School in Allentown, Pennsylvania. As many of you might be knowing, Parkland High School is a pretty big high school, so it's quite competitive there. It's a public school. Okay. Parth was born in India and moved to USA when he was 9 years old. He adapted to the US environment very well and strived for high achievement. Academically, Parth has maintained near perfect GPA, 4.9 out of 5. He scored exceptionally well in SATs and AP exams. Those who know very well, those who are coming from Lehigh Valley probably know that Parkland High School is very active in participation in various student activities and competitions. Parth has been involved in many of them. Okay. Parth was a president of his school's math league. He was a secretary of the National Honor Society and a treasurer of Club Med. He is also a member of the various school clubs, including political science, Spanish, and math honor societies, and science olympiad. Parth has a real passion for the future business leaders of America, something I think our community can really appreciate and understand why it is so. He actively participated in those activities in his school, and he was recognized at regional competitions and won several awards, including first place at the regional competition in 2007 and 2008. He was third place in the regional competition in 2006. And at a statewide competition, they placed ninth. I think these are remarkable achievements for Parth. Parth is also a proud member of several teams in the school which won awards at various competitions organized by Lehigh Valley Interscholastic Athletic Conference. Last summer, Parth attended University of Pittsburgh Health Career Scholars Academy. This was formerly known as Governor School, Pennsylvania Governor School for Healthcare. Outside of his school, Parth is a tutor at Kumon, which is a school after school learning center for math and reading. He volunteered at local hospital during the summer and was awarded various shadowing opportunities. His hobbies and interests include spending time with the friends and family, playing tennis, basketball, football, watching TV, of course, and playing video games. Right, Parth? Very good. Okay. Upon graduation from high school, Parth would like to attend University of Pennsylvania, UPenn, and focus on, well, guess what? Pre-medicine. Long term, he would like to pursue a career in the field of medicine. We congratulate Parth and his parents, and we wish him all the best in his future career and academic endeavors. A few words about Karishma and her accomplishment. Karishma graduated from Colonel Zadok McGruder High School, which is a public high school in Rockville, Maryland, in June 2009. Karishma is currently a freshman at UPenn, University of Pennsylvania. Karishma is also exceptionally well accomplished. Academically, she, again, I have to say, these kids are really, really good. They always try to get perfect GPA. Karishma had almost perfect GPA, 3.96 out of 4.0, which is really remarkable. Okay. She also exceptionally did well in SATs and AP exams. So these are all indicators, not necessarily everything, but these are an indicator of her academic accomplishment. Besides academics, Karishma was actively involved in many school activities throughout her high school years. She was president and treasurer and board member of her school's Key Club, which is a community service organization. Okay. She was a student manager and associate tutor in peer-to-peer organization. She was an officer and member of National Honor Society and a member of Science, Math, and Spanish Honor Societies. She was also a captain of her school's varsity softball team. Karishma received numerous awards, including Leadership Award from local organizations, Colonel Zadok McGruder Top Achievement Award, Maryland Distinguished Scholar Honorable Mention. She is also an AP Scholar with Distinction, and she received the President's Award for Educational Excellence. Karishma also has a passion for classical dancing. She has been doing Bharatanatyam classical dances for the past 10 years. Karishma is currently a freshman at UPenn, where she intends to study the biological basis of behavior and healthcare management. I guess you can figure out what all that stands for. Karishma can say a few words about that later on. For her long-term career, Karishma aspires to become, again, guess what? A physician. Okay. We congratulate Karishma and wish her all the best. Rasila would like to say a few words, as always, to inspire parents, students, and I'll keep time on her to make sure she doesn't go too far, too long.
I think I will keep time on me too. Well, as Janpai says, we have mountains to climb. And in that process, what we need is a fundamental blocks. They are so strong. And those are we call read, write, and think. Well, I also keep on checking myself and continuously try to improve. And in that quest, I come across one wonderful site which is called thinkfinity.org. This site is developed by Verizon Foundation, and it is for education for everyone, not only for students, but for parents, for teachers, for grandparents. It has games, it has reference materials, and it has also many educational other sites and links to it. And it provides very quality material.
Sure. First of all, thank you for all your kind words and your support, and to all the PCA community. I would like to express to the youth here to keep doing well in school, participate in all the different extracurricular activities available to you. Just work hard and it will pay off in the future, and just keep helping those around you.
Very good. Thank you, Karishma. How about you, Parth? Maybe you have some inspiring words for all the people too.
Sure, thank you. First of all, Jai Shri Krishna, everyone. Happy Diwali, Happy New Year. Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Baladia, for making this possible and allowing us this opportunity. And like Karishma said, to all the youth, just keep working hard. And if there's one thing you could follow, it's make the best out of every opportunity that you're presented with. It's the only advice that I have for you. So once again, thank you.